My dear students, how are you? Hope you are getting well. I am also fine. My dear students, at first I want to introduce myself. This is Newton Talukdar, head teacher of Purarpar Government Primary School, Shalla, Sunamganj. Today I am here to take an English class for the students of class 5. So, my dear students of class 5 students, please be ready. Get ready with your textbook, pen and exercise or notebook. Okay, dear students, are you ready? Okay, thanks. Dear students, at first I want to do something for you so that you can concentrate your minds in study, so that you can get also much pleasure. Okay, what can I do? Can I sing a song? Everybody? Okay, I am going to sing a song. It's rhyme song also. Okay, dear students, please listen to me and follow me. One thumb, one finger, keep moving. We are all singing. Two finger, two thumb, keep moving. We are all singing. Again, one finger, one thumb, two finger, two thumb, keep moving. We are all singing. We are all singing. Okay, dear learners, in previous class, we also discussed about many things, and we also discussed what is healthy meal, and which fruits are healthy and which foods are not healthy. Okay, which foods are healthy and which foods are not healthy. Can you remember? Okay, dear students, now tell me, what is healthy meal? Yeah, good idea, thank you. You have given the right answer. A healthy meal means a meal in which all kinds of healthy foods are included. Okay, thanks a lot. You have given the right answer. Okay, every students clap for him. Okay, dear students, so every day try to eat healthy foods and keep yourself fit. Okay. Anyway, my dear learners, please take your exercise book and open it page number 30. Look at the book. Open it page number 30. Here, dear my students, look, there is a picture inside of a lesson, inside of the lesson. Okay, have you looked? Thank you. This picture is also on the board. Okay, dear students, please look at the board and try to get the picture, try to understand the picture. What do you see in the picture? Try to tell what is the picture about. Okay, dear students, think about yourself. Okay, now dear students, please tell me, what do you see in the picture? Yeah, right, you have given the right answer. A patient and a doctor. Right, good idea. A patient and a doctor. A patient is lying in bed and doctor is taking her temperature with a thermometer. Am I right? Yeah. Now, you will know that the name of the patient is Shima. According to textbook, the name of the patient is Shima. Dear student, Shima is ill and for this reason she is in bed. Okay? And there is a doctor also. But it's a question to you. How do you know there is a doctor? My dear learners, think, how do you know there is a doctor? Okay, I am helping you. A man wearing an apron, having a thermometer and stethoscope can be identified as a doctor. Are you clear? Again, I am telling you, a man wearing an apron, having a thermometer and stethoscope can be identified as a doctor. Are you clear? Okay. Dear students, now tell me, what is apron? Because the doctor is wearing an apron. But what is apron? Do you know about apron? In every schools, there is a little medical team and they wear apron. What do you know by apron? Okay, dear students, I am going to tell you, an apron is a protective garment worn over front of the clothes and tied at the back. Okay, an apron is a protective garment worn over the front of the clothes and tied at the back. Are you clear? Okay, dear students. Now, do you know about stethoscope? What is stethoscope? Oh, okay. I am describing about a stethoscope. A stethoscope is a medical instrument for listening to the action of someone's heart or breathing. To listening to the someone's heart or breathing. Okay, have you understood? Okay, dear students. Now, it's a question to you, what is thermometer? Have you heard the name of thermometer? Yeah, you have heard the name thermometer. But what is thermometer? What the doctor use thermometer? Okay, dear friends, an instrument for measuring and indicating temperature. What is thermometer? A thermometer is an instrument for measuring and indicating temperature. Okay, good idea. My dear students, now we are going to the another portion of this lesson. Today for your for your better understanding, we will introduce with some words and their meanings also, so that you can understand easily about the passage. Okay, dear students, at first I am going to read out and listen to me. Home, ill, cough, sore throat, warm, fever, flu, get oil. Once again, dear students, and repeat after me. Home, ill, cough, sore throat, warm, fever, flu, get oil. Thank you, dear students. Now we will know the meanings of these words. Okay, and at first, whom means, dear student, please try to say whom means. Okay, thank you, you have given the right answer. Home means a living place. We can say also a dwelling place. Okay, a dwelling place. Now, next word is ill. Dear students, please, what is ill? Ill means, Okay, fine. You have given the right answer. Thanks. A lot of thanks. Ill means sick. Okay. Ill means sick. When ill means sick. Okay. Dear students, cough. Now cough. What is cough? To force out air. To force out air suddenly. To force out air suddenly. Okay. Now sore throat. Sore throat. Okay. Dear my students, it is a common word for this corona situation. Sore throat means having pain. Having pain in our throat. It is sore throat. Okay. Have you understood? Now warm. Warm means a little bit hot. Okay, a little bit hot, but not too much hot. A little bit hot. Fever. Fever. Fever is a common word for all of us, because for this corona situation, it is also a familiar word. Fever means high body temperature. Fever means high body temperature. When temperature arises high, then it is fever. Then it is called fever. Flu. Flu. Dear students, flu. Flu means one kind of fever. It is caused by virus. It is caused by virus. So flu means virus fever. So flu means one kind of virus fever. Okay. Get oil. Get oil. Get oil means calm down. Get oil means calm down. Whenever the members of our family or neighbors or any relatives or friends or any person gets sick, then we pray for him or her. Please get well soon. Please calm down soon. Okay? In this way. Now, dear my students, I will read out the passage. Please take your book in your hand, and I am going to read out. Please listen to me very attentively. Write to me soon. Shima is at home today. She didn't go to school because she is ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She also feels very well because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Shima last night. She needs some medicine. He also told her what to do in order to get well soon. Okay, dear students, now I am going to describe again. Now listen to me. Shima is at home today. She didn't go to school because she is ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She feels warm because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Shima last night. She needs some medicine. She also told her what to do in order to get well soon. Okay, my dear students, have you understood about the passage very clearly? Now, if you understand, I want to ask you some questions. Okay? Okay, dear students. Please, why didn't Shima go to school today? Why didn't Shima go to school? Okay, dear students, why didn't Shima go to school? Try to give the answer. Okay, you have given the right answer. Shima didn't go to school because she was ill. Because she was ill. Okay, dear learners, my second question to you. Why she is feeling warm? Why she is feeling warm? Because she has a fever. She has a fever. Okay, dear students, another questions. Who visited Shima? Who visited Shima? Doctor. Yeah, the doctor visited Shima. Who needs some medicine? Shima needs some medicine. Okay, dear students, Shima needs some medicine. Now, please tell me what is flu? Okay, what is flu? You have understood in the meantime. Yeah, flu means one kind of virus fever. Okay, I want to describe it in brief. An influenza, commonly known as flu, is a respiratory illness that is caused by a virus. It is highly contagious and usually spread by the coughs and sneezes of a person who is very infected. Okay? Again, I am going to tell, an influenza, commonly known as flu, is a respiratory illness that is caused by a virus, and it is very contagious and usually spreads by the coughs and sneezes of a person who is infected. Okay, dear students, are you clear about flu? Okay, dear students, please stand up and say with me, we have learnt about the disease flu. Okay, dear students, please stand up and say with me, we have learnt about the disease flu. Okay, thank you a lot, my dear students. I have no time, time is over. I will meet you again. Bye the students.